Alright, here goes nothing. Oh, fuck.
Welcome to Motos, Cades, and Coffee.
As much as I stink at slacklining, hopefully I get a little bit better about camping. So let's take a look at what I'm going to be talking about. Hey guys, it's Andy from Motos, Cades, and Coffee. I know I haven't been very active with my Himalayan lately, but I got a special treat for you. I've decided I got my second long trip planned on my Himalayan. Hopefully you caught my Maryland to Montana trip. You can check it, I think it's up here or up here. I'll put a link in there. I'm going to Canada, Maryland to Canada this summer, 2021. If the borders are open. If not, we'll make it to Maine. So, I've been prepping and getting ready for the trip. A lot of behind the scenes action to get Max ready. I gave Max a wash today. He's been rented out a few times. But we're gonna go do an unboxing video and I'm gonna show you specifically what I got going on. My last trip, I slept in a swag tent and it was great. It was stealthy, it was really small. I wanted to be away from everybody, but it was hot and a little cramped. The cramped was okay, but I didn't like the hot, so I want to be a little more comfortable. So I'm gonna go for a hammock tent. So I got an unboxing video for a hammock tent. We'll get that unboxed and show you how it sets up and what it looks like in the Himalayan and how I plan to use it. So let's go ahead and unbox it.
Unboxing.
All right, guys, this is my Amazon package. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Hopefully the name's in here. 2-day shipping. Yep, it took 5 days to get. I think it came from California to Maryland. All right, let's see what we got. That's the hammock right there. All right, Night Cat, U.S. Army hammock, Army, made in China. Yeah, somehow that doesn't sound 100% right, but Night Cat. Let's go ahead and open it up. All right, so that's the size of the carrying case. About 2.5 feet, maybe 2 feet by, I don't know, 8 inches, 2 feet by 8 inches. That's the carrying case. Directions. Oh, directions. And I've never hammock camped before, but I'm gonna try it. Okay. Looks like this might be the rain fly. That's cool. All right. And looks like this is the hammock. Oh. What do we got here? Okay, stakes, line, and more line. And these are the poles. Let's open this up. Packaging seems pretty good. Okay. All right, that's it. Step 1, choose a suitable location, 3 to 4 meters. Actually, let's go move the camera position so I can show you, actually do the step-by-step directions where I'm gonna set it up. Let's go. 3 to 4 meters apart, 1.2 meters off the ground. Turn the mosquito net upside down. Oh, okay. Mosquito net's here. This is what we do. Got it. Ah. There we go. Work. Okay. Step 1, done. Get these poles out of the way. You can treat it just like a hammock, it says right here. Let's see. All right. Oh yeah. Woo! I think I'd probably go a little higher. That's pretty good. Oh, that's comfy. Good night. Let me go a little higher. It's good to me. That's good. That's better. All right, so there is a mosquito net there. I'm gonna put the poles in now. That's step 2. Mosquito net. Put the aluminum tent poles through the sleeves on top of the hammock. I can do that. Oh, these poles are nice too. They have an end that makes it go through very smooth, like butter. It's not getting caught at all. That's really nice. Okay. All right. One. Well, that's nice. Wow, is that nice? Oh, that is nice. All right. Then you want to put these, tie the guideline with pegs. Okay, let's do that. Comes with 2 guidelines, 2 pegs, and a pretty robust guidelines here. Yeah, I was in the Boy Scouts. Something like that. Ooh, I will get a mallet with me, but I didn't bring one. Okay, get the other side. Yeah? Yeah, I'm testing it right now, Mom. Thank you. And videoing. Yes, Mom. Let me put it on pause while my mom asks me a question. Let's go move the camera. Whoa. Hello, Max. Look at this. All right. Let me hop in there, see what it's like. I don't know which way is it front, but I don't think it really matters. Oh, I'm kind of scared. Woo! Ah! That's awesome. All right, I'm already really happy. Then you could kick the shoes off. Wow, is this comfy? Holy smoke. I love that mosquito net. Oh, that's awesome. That is just pure awesomeness. I am on the wrong side. I would switch sides. There's a little pocket up there. Wow, that is awesome. All right. That is just awesome. Now I'm going to cover the rain fly and ensure the opening in the same direction with the mosquito net. Okay, got it. Oh, there's a little hook here. There's a hook here. Wow, happy. All right. Woo! That is awesome. All right. That's a win. All right. Now let's get that rain fly up. A little awkward to set up, I think. Maybe. All right. Yeah, that's right. Okay. All right. There's this. Looks like you. One there. There we go. There's snap. That's cool. You put this one underneath, and then the hole, and then there's a snap on the other side. Okay. Okay, and then you can pull these tight too. Oh, that's cool. All right, get in there. You go, this guy. Holders on each side. Do that. All right, let's get a close up. All right, so there it is. You can see it right there. There's the mosquito netting. Very easy to get in. Doing this one-handed, excuse me. All right, so there it is. In my Himalayan. I bought a sleeping bag and an air mattress. I'll probably put it in there. I won't do this for now. I'm just gonna hop on in and tell you what it's like. All right, let's hop on in. Woo. Oh yeah, that's nice. Actually, it doesn't matter. There's a little packet here, but there's one on the other side too. I'm gonna flip it around so you can see. All right, there it is. Plenty of room. All right, somehow this has got to be better because that's too hot. That'll work with all right, there it is. Woo! I like it. All right, so there I am in the hammock. There's a lot of room in here. There's definitely more room than my flag tent. Enough room to change. I'm hoping I won't get wet. And yeah, sorry. I'm hoping I won't get wet. A lot more room than my swag tent. I might try sleeping in here tonight. See what it feels like. This is a good test, and hopefully you guys liked it. So please like and subscribe, and stay tuned to my channel for me going Maryland to Canada or Maine. But thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Enjoy your Himalayan.